and then I just simply click run, and let's see if these will get fixed. So left click, run, then I'll close that. Let's have a look. No more issues, they've all gone. Hi there, Matt here. Just want to show you how to fix these errors in Integromat quickly. So you'll see here there's something that's not quite right. So if I click in here, or this one, so looking at this yellow dot here, there's more down here as well. So if I go into this one, I can actually see there's it's related to jobs. So it gives me some clues what it might be. So if I click in, we're looking for an input that isn't quite right. So the ones that stick out are in black. So this reference or input is no longer available. So this one was a variable that is no longer in this scenario. So how do you fix that quickly? This is what I'll show you in this video. So what we actually want to place in there, we want it to be, if I click up here and type in property, I want it to be this purple one here. So if I click in here, make sure the cursor is in the right position. I'm going to click this one. Okay, so we fix that. What we need to do is we need to replace all the other ones, but there's multiple instances of those errors. There's still, if I go Shift and across and Control C, see if that copies, do OK. So that one's fixed. This one isn't, this one isn't, this one isn't, this one isn't, or this one isn't. So that's all referring to the module 65, I think it was. Let's just double check that. 77. So this number here at the front is indicating which module it's referencing. So it's always good to get your structure right when you set up your scenarios. It makes it easier to fault find things like this. So looking at this one here, so it's a get variable, so it's actually pulling information. In our case, it is this one here, property address, that one, and that was initially set up here. So that variable was set by way of this. Okay, so going back to our initial problem, so what's a quick way to fix these yellow ones here if it all relates to that same variable input that's changed and no longer available? So what we're going to do, we're going to bring up a notepad using a PC here. So whatever Linux or Mac you're using, just use a notepad. Click on that module that we want to. We're going to do a lookup. We're going to find it and get it changed automatically. So do Shift left Control C. I'll bring up the notepad, paste it in there. So what we're going to do here, that's the new one, just for demonstration purposes. That's the new one. Let's find the old one. So go old, the old reference. It's probably something similar to that, but let's just do a check. There's another way you can quickly check, but let's just go in here. I'm going to find one of these black ones. So here we go. So two. So I clicked in there, put my cursor in there to the back of this little input variable. So Shift left, Control C. I'm going to paste that one in my notepad. There we go. So here's the trick. This is what you need. So you need developers tools for Integromat. So that can be downloaded and added for free. Really good tool. But what we need to do is, I've got it installed, go F12, click on Integromat. We're going to use this tool here. Swap variables. This is where we need to bring up a little notepad again. This is why it's good to have this. Little scratch pad, whatever you want to call it. What is it asking us again? So it's asking swaps. So find. So variable to find. So we actually want the old one. So we want the old one, Control C. Replace it with the new one. So what it's going to do is going to look through the whole scenario. Because I did this for demonstration purposes, this can be done really quickly. And then I just simply click run. And let's see if these will get fixed. So left click, run. Then I'll close that. Let's have a look. No more issues, they've all gone. The resource you need is obviously Integromat and the Integromat developers tools. Leave comments below or reach out if you've got any questions as well.